What's up, everyone? This is your host, Henry, as always, and thank you for tuning in. Alright, before we start the video, make sure you guys smack that like button, subscribe if you're new, um, hit the notification bell, check out my description below. You'll find all my social medias and my merch store. So, we're gonna get into this real quick, guys. This no editing or anything like that. I want to get this out to you guys. Um, Mainly Ohioans, obviously. Um, Constitutional carry will be going into effect at midnight, 12 a.m. midnight. Basically, you guys will not need any type of training, which I'd highly advise you to get training and learn about firearm safety and all that good stuff. No training or no permits, no concealed carry license, which I highly advise you to get that as well because you can carry in other states that don't have constitutional carry. So, um, my opinion on this, it's great. Yes, it's sadly we got to have a law that says constitutional carry, permitless carry. We got to. It's still basically the government granting us permission to exercise a right, the 2A. But I'm glad Ohio has done it, and 25 other states has done it. But not all of them has. I think it's like four more of them that has not gone into effect yet. I think Ohio is state number two, or somewhere, something like that. And I'm glad that people, especially people who live in skittish areas, can carry a gun to protect themselves and their families. Because you see what happened in Texas. The police are not going to protect you. You know, only you can protect yourself when it's going down. No one is going to protect you but you. And then after you handle the threats, and then you call the police, and don't say too much. Don't talk too much. Say that I fear for my life, and I want to wait until my lawyer gets here. So, not saying I highly advise you guys to get concealed carry insurance, like the USCCA. I think this is the Firearms Coalition or something like that. There's a few more of them, and yeah, just do monthly payments on it, and it's basically like car insurance, just to cover your ass when you get into a car accident. It's the same thing with firearms. So I do highly advise you guys to get that because you win the fight, but you still got another fight in court. Sadly, that's just how the justice system is. All in all, I'm glad. I'm very excited to see a lot of people exercise their rights. Um, like I said, training is key. You need to hit the range. You need to get used to your tool. Get used to it. Keep training, training, training. Learn the firearm safety rules. I guess some people think it's 3 rules, 5 rules. I mean, it's a lot of rules. It's a lot of YouTube videos like mine and others that can teach you and whatnot about gun safety. And here in Ohio, um, I can teach you some laws as well. Obviously you can't carry in court buildings, school zones, anything federal. Um, you cannot carry. Well, you can. It's not a law, but one, I'm not a lawyer, but like those gun-free zones, like at malls and stores and privately owned businesses, basically. When they had that no gun crap there. One, I wouldn't spend my money there, to be honest, because they don't care about your safety. Apparently, if you can't carry your own tool to protect yourself, no one else is going to do it. And criminals, they don't care about those signs. But I think I'm preaching to the choir when it comes to that. They don't care about no fucking sign. Oh, you can't carry. Dude, a mass shooter, whoever, just walk in there anyway. They don't care. Ain't no sign going to stop anything. So even the armed guard may not stop it either. They make it the armed guard, and then what now? You said and duck. That's when you got to do what you got to do to protect yourself and yours. I don't care about no damn policy, and all criminals don't care about the law. So for damn sure they ain't gonna care about no fucking policy. But anyway, one more thing, guys. Also, in this law, you are not required to notify police if you're stopped. If they ask if you have a gun, I think you have to tell them. But just to be nice, you should tell them anyway, for they can, have a sigh of relief. Hopefully, they don't go psycho and shoot you. But I mean, even with a concealed carry license, cops still act skittish around you, even though you're a law-abiding citizen. It's like they're afraid of everyone, even though you literally got your own little badge from the sheriff, that's letting the cop know, whoever is, talking to you, know that you're not a threat. You're a law-abiding citizen, basically. But that's another story, another topic for another video. I just want to let you guys know that this will be going into effect at midnight. So you can walk outside. Hey, celebrate. Oh, constitutional carry. Yeah, yep. You can walk out there with your gun. I advise you to have a holster. Don't be doing no ghetto shit. You know who I'm talking about. Don't do no ghetto shit. Have a holster. Get your training. Take a class or two, and obey the law. Don't be a bad example. Especially this is for you new gun owners. Don't set a bad example for all the us vet gun owners. For everyone else. Don't give these politicians any more ammunition. Because as I'm making this video, it's a lot of crap that's about to probably get passed in the Senate, guys. So you guys want to contact them and let them know you're gonna get voted out. But there's other things that we can do besides vote. But I guess a lot of Americans hasn't gotten there yet. But also for you new gun owners, you guys got to join the fight. You have to join the fight because a lot of you guys, y'all probably voted for these people, mainly Democrats, but there are a few Republicans as well. That's um, being tyrants basically, and we don't need that, and we don't need you voting for these Democrats mainly that wants to restrict on our rights. So stop voting for that party if you want to exercise your Second Amendment right, because you're not helping yourself or the gun community. So if you want to be a part of the gun community, your vote does matter, and don't be voting for these anti-gun people who wants to take away your guns. So I'm gonna get ready to end it here, guys. Again, if you guys got any good information out of it, smack the like button, share this video. It definitely needs to be shared. Comment below. And other than that, I hope you guys stay safe. Be aware of your surroundings. Carry a gun. Get prepared. And as always, have a nice day. Y'all take it easy, guys.